Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Asana with Zapier using OAuth, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Asana with Zapier using OAuth, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to begin creating your workflow. Search for Asana in the Choose App and Event section. Select Asana from the list of available applications. Now, select the action you want to perform after authentication. Click on the Sign in to Asana button to initiate the authentication process. A new window will appear prompting you to log into your Asana account. Enter your Asana email and password, then click Login. If prompted, you may need to grant Zapier permission to access your Asana account. Review the permissions requested, then click Allow to proceed. Once authenticated, you will see your Asana account connected to Zapier. After authentication is successful, select your Asana account from the drop-down menu. Proceed to configure the action you want to set up in your Zap. Follow the on-screen instructions to map the data fields as needed. Test the Zap to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If successful, you can then activate the Zap to automate your workflow. Remember, you can always return to update your Asana connection if needed. Keep your Asana account credentials secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.